So yeah, we're just out here mowing the field with the Land Pride. I don't know what it is. Do you remember what it is?
I saw Land Pride.
Yeah, something on there. And we're just mowing the field before the winter, but wanted to get a little project done before the winter.
Looks like it's snowing already.
It does. But wanted to give a little credit where credit was due. So let's go see our handiwork with the Land Pride mower from the air. Okay, here we go. You ready? Watch out.
So Jonathan and I were mowing. You guys watching this? Mom, you looking here? So this was kind of like a review of their work.
Yeah.
That is so cool. What do you think, guys?
Made you look. So that's it, Land Pride. Great brand, great savior. Like, subscribe, and God bless. Okay, yeah, bye.